Alright guys, here's part 1 of catching a fish. For every subscriber gained, we gained 15 since the last video. That was a lot more than I was expecting. Thank you so much. But we got 15 crappies on this video, 1 panfish. Pretty good turnout if you ask me for middle of the day. But thank you if you were in the live. It was a great day out there on the lake. Thank you. Please subscribe and drop a like. Thank you.
This one's like, oh, there we go.
Don't question my editing skill. I promise the next one will turn out better. I was just figuring it out today.
Sure.